Hey guys, so the second Saab, I'm just parked out front, the blue one is just over there on the left, and I saw this and I said I can't leave without taking a photo of this. Look at this. I've never seen one of these before. Look at that, eh? Cool. I'm not about to touch it because that's the shop. You can see that it's all full of Saabs. Got a big shop in the back here. But what do you think this thing is? 50s? I'd say 50s. Look at the rims. Tubeless, 14-inch, no? T225 9015 Continentals. Cool. Look at the angle of that windshield. Holy. Amazing. The seats. There's no floor in it. It's totally rusted out. That's where that daylight is coming from, you can see. Right beside the steering wheel, that's daylight. And you can see it's all been cracked up. But it must have come from a faraway country. Some sort of parking business there. Tiny, oh again, the donut spare. Tiny little thing. But look at this, it's got fins. Have you ever seen it? Look at the fins. It's got 50s fins. So talk about cool. Saab, look at that emblem. And those taillights. Very cool. Again, like I said, I'm not an expert at all on my Saabs, but they are neat to be able to see because they're completely different than our American cars here. Little dent on the side. Let me get underneath. This tiny little tailpipe. Little tiny tailpipe. Underneath, wow, flat floor, completely flat, corrugated with the muffler, with the tailpipe going all the way down to the end. I've never seen a car with a flat floor, like those Teslas or whatever else. The whole floor is structural. Let's see what the front of this thing is. It's supposed to hold on the hubcaps. Again, some sort of tank business there. And underneath, can't tell. It's totally original, right down to the shock absorbers. I'm on my knees, guys, trying to be able to get the shot. Oh yeah, the floor. The floor. But overall, if you wanted to spend $50,000 on this car, rebuild it, totally gut the whole thing out, like the guy did with the blue one over there, I guess you could have a one-off. Total restoration. Look at that, eh? The radio over here, little ignition, tiny seats. I bet you it's got a tiny little engine on it. But again, can I just lift it up just a bit? No, can't tell. There is an engine in there though. Sorry guys, I'm not about to get bitched out here. Some guy comes screaming. So anyways guys, SAN 379 out.